Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day, and we have a really nice one. Actually, it came from a couple of sources. It came from my gap down and continuing to go down. I call that the gap down and go. Also came, and it was exactly the same price from the AI, 1556. This is a short, okay? And again, it came from my gap. Where is it? Look down here. You can start to see the SNDX. SNDX is there at $14, but it's even earlier. It's got to be, yeah, it's way early. Probably one of the, right there. So it's exactly the same price actually, 1556 on the short that the AI had it. So this is turning into my favorite scanner right now, especially in this market. You know, with the market being kind of blah. I mean, the market is starting to move down a little bit, but I'm just finding so many stocks are either topping out, they're top out, and then they just drop, or this gap down and keep going down. Anyway, the interesting thing is that they did announce had some news this morning. On the surface, it looked really good because look at this. It actually gapped all the way up to $23. On the surface, that news looked really good. Then all of a sudden, you know, even here, it was okay because here's the close from yesterday. So it was kind of neutral. But the market opens and it just absolutely, I'm sorry, this is when the market opened, yeah, at 9:30. So even in the pre-market, it started to drop significantly. I mean, these are big drops. I mean, you know, this is down to 17. It was up to 23. So imagine if you were somebody who bought this at the high or 23, it's $10 a different, I mean, hopefully you would have got out of it, but $10 drop. So anyway, just a tremendous short, called it out in the room. You know, got in right around here, got out here, and in this level here, I'm not in it anymore. There's a part of me that says maybe I will get back into it, but anyway, just a tremendous stock of the day, and that is SNDX, both from my gap down and also from the AI. So I want to shut this down. I want to get back into the room. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. And that scan that I had is you know, from my homepage. So there's a link to my homepage in the email you're getting. And just go to the scan section, and it's called Gap Continuation or Reverse. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I hope everybody has a great evening. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.